Well, it's a bit of a misty morning, I'll just show you. And we're at the top of the dog walk that we walked down yesterday. So today
we're going to go to a little village called Great Dalby, I think.
Yes, Great Dalby.
Yes.
It's about a mile and a half, so it says.
Yeah.
So we're at the top of the dog walk, and now if we turn round we have to walk up this little path here.
Yeah.
So keep your fingers crossed we don't get lost.
Yeah.
So we'll take you with us a little way. Our idea is walk there
and refreshments.
Yeah, have lunch and drink, and then we'll have a walk back later.
Yeah.
See what we can find in the village.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Last time.
This looks a bit muddy. So we're amongst the trees. It's quite pretty, isn't it? Whoop, I nearly fell in the mud there.
There's a post and it's the yellow route. So we'll just follow the yellow route post.
Yeah, we'll just hope that there's no cows. It's down there. Oh gosh. Yeah, there, look. How are we going to get down there?
No,
oh.
The arrow is here.
Oh, right.
And there's the little cut through the field.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
No cows in here.
Basically, look, there's a cut through there.
Yeah.
But of course...
it's fenced off.
Yeah, it's fenced off. So you have to go all around and follow the public footpath.
Yeah. Oh, hang on a minute. I nearly lost my track then.
Which has increased it by at least half a mile.
There's the campsite.
Yeah.
We could have got onto it somewhere there, couldn't we?
Exactly, yeah.
As I say, it's all fenced off, so you can't. Still, it's a nice walk, isn't it? Pleasant.
Oh, yeah.
The pub doesn't open until, is it 12?
12.
But we've got to get there before, I would say, 1:30, because
it shuts at 2.
It shuts at 2 until tea time. So we won't be able to order anything, will we, if we're too late? Can't see any other path there. Looks a bit muddy here as well. Oh gosh.
Yeah, quagmire.
Quagmire. Oh, more mud. Right, which way? That doesn't look very pleasant, does it?
We've come to a muddy bit.
Yeah, so we've got to be careful here. Try and go through here without falling over.
What about the grass bit here?
Oh, that's a good idea. Let's go this way. Oh gosh. We've come to the bottom of the lane more or less, haven't we?
It's uphill going back.
Oh yeah, so it is. It will be going downhill to the campsite though, won't it?
Water.
Yeah. Trickling away. Cows in this field with big horns, look.
Moo cows with horns.
Oh, he's lying down. Or she's lying down, should I say.
Ah, yeah. Look, there's a big rock here.
Oh, that's exciting.
Mm.
Ancient rock. Yeah, they're all having a cuddle look together. Serve some nice pieces of meat there as well. Serve, sell. Hello. Oh, he's not very happy. Look, there's a little calf. Some cows. There's lots of cows in this field. Right, I think we're at Great Dalby. I think the sign. Yeah, just a bit overgrown. So we've arrived at Great Dalby. Oh, it's a bit of a walk, isn't it?
Yeah.
For us anyway.
Because there's no pathway.
No, there's no pathway.
Yeah.
We've had to walk into the side, and we're walking towards the oncoming traffic so they can see us. We have to keep making sure Archie's well in when a car comes, or a van. because he does tend to wander a bit. So it's a nice little place, play area. Children. Little shop. Oh, you go there and get your farm fresh milk. We're now coming across some really nice properties. Look at this one. The glass goes from the bottom to the top of the house. Very nice. Wow. There's a thatched cottage here. Well, there's a few of them actually. I love thatched roofs. I think they last about 30 years from what I can remember. Somebody I knew had one. So in 30 years time you have to have it renewed.
But they look nice.
Yeah, they do. Village hall. And a primary school. So after this primary school there should be the pub.
It's called the Royal Oak, I believe.
The Royal Oak. So hopefully it shouldn't be too much further down this road. Oh, this is nice. Hope it's nice inside. To go into the bar, don't we? Music. I can hear music.
Music.
It's very nice in here, isn't it? We're in the dogs.
Dog-friendly part.
Yes. And it's beautiful. Really nice. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, folks. And a big good morning from Archie.
Well, we're at Kettleby Lakes.
We are.
And we really love it here.
Yes.
And this is our what?
Third visit.
Third visit.
In 2 years.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we've had sun every day and it's been really warm.
Yeah.
We've even had the awning up, which is a first for this year.
It is.
We had a walk to Great Dalby from the campsite.
Yes.
Yes, to the pub there. And the pub
is excellent.
Yeah, it was lovely. We really had a lovely time.
Yeah.
But the walk is about, is it 1.5 miles?
I would say, yeah, there are 2.
But it's a bit up and downhill.
Yeah, yeah.
And when we got in the pub, the young lady that served us, she said her uncle owns Kettleby Lakes.
Yeah.
And she said, how long did it take you to get here? And we said an hour. And she went, that's a bit of a long time. She said, I would say 45 minutes. But I said, well, we are a bit older than she's only a young girl.
We did stop a few times. And we did have to avoid some large mud flats.
Yes, there was a lot of... a lane under the trees was absolutely full of mud, wasn't it?
Yes,
and then we passed the farm shop on the way where you can have meals there. So if you didn't want to walk as far as Great Dalby, you can call at the farm shop.
Yeah, to do breakfast and lunches.
And they sell all sorts of meats and cakes and bread and everything there.
Very nice produce, yeah.
And then we just continued, didn't we? But we didn't have a walk round Great Dalby because I don't think there's an awful lot there, is there?
It's a tiny village.
Yeah.
There's a pub and a church, and that's about it.
Yeah.
I don't think there's any shops.
No. So anyway, that's what we did on Saturday, wasn't it? Yesterday we just had a chill day. We just walked around. Well, we went for breakfast, didn't we? First,
we walked up to the
clubhouse.
The clubhouse for breakfast.
Yeah,
which
that was really good.
Yeah, you have to pre-book, so we pre-booked it for a time slot.
After that, we just had a walk around the lakes, didn't we? I mean, we're always saying there's 7 lakes here, but after looking at the map, there's 8 lakes actually.
There's 8
there's
lakes.
8 that are numbered.
Yes. The latest that was constructed was the big lake, just at the side of the South Park, and that was constructed in 2016.
Yeah.
And the first lakes I've read were started to have been constructed in 1982.
Yeah, so it's been going quite some time, hasn't it? Maybe not, you know, as a campsite,
maybe
but there's been lakes.
as a fishing lakes. Yeah.
But you know, it's a lovely place to come. So if you want some relaxation, this is the place. It's adult only.
Yeah.
There's lodges up by the clubhouse that I think you can book. And you can have children in those, but the campsites you can't. It's just adult only. There's a north campsite and there's a south campsite. We tend to like the south campsite.
It seems to be better landscape.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, that's what we feel.
Yeah.
And there's the facilities are nice. There's no codes to get in anything.
No. The 2 facility blocks are identical to each other, and they're built out of stone.
And you go inside the foyer and there's washing facilities like for pots and things like that, and then there's washing machines, tumble dryer, and there's settees, and it's all piped music.
The men's are to the right hand side, and the ladies are to the left hand side. The floor is all stone.
Yeah, it's very, very nice. But as you'll see from the video up here, they're lovely. They really are.
Ours themselves, there's a head shower and a side shower, which are temperature and flow adjustable, and I honestly can't fault it. And I'm very tempted to give it a 10 out of 10.
Oh, blimey.
Which is the highest I've ever given.
I think you ought to then.
So I'm going to give it a 9 3/4.
Oh! 9 3/4?
Yes.
Oh, well, it sounds good then, doesn't it?
It's very, very good facilities,
The pitch we've got, we saw last year, didn't we?
Yeah.
We were on pitch 85 and this was pitch 84, and we thought, oh, this overlooks fields. You know, you've got nobody on one side of you. It's really lovely. Would have liked, I think, our awning on the opposite side, wouldn't we? To the van.
Yes, facing the fields.
Because we were sitting the opposite side. So we've had another walk round the site, haven't we?
And found another ideal
pitch.
pitch.
We found another one with the actual awning side facing there's a little lake just down below us.
Facing the lake itself, yes.
And we face there, and guess what we've done?
Booked it.
We've booked it for next year. Same time, same place, same channel.
Which is great, you see, because you can actually book your own pitch.
Yeah, book the pitch you want. So we're trying that one out next year. We'll have done every pitch, won't we, in the end? But we do like it here, and you know, we keep finding different things every time we come, don't we?
That's great.
So it's lovely. Well, I think we better tell you how much it cost. So here's my detail. So for 3 nights, £151. So how much is that?
151. For 3 nights.
3 into 15 goes.
Oh right, £50 a night.
Yeah, £50 a night. So it is quite expensive, but it's a fully serviced pitch.
Yes, it is
and
full of
we
service.
have got a super extended pitch. So I'm sure if you just wanted a standard pitch,
They'd be a bit cheaper.
it would be a bit cheaper.
Yeah.
But because, you know, we're treating this as our holiday as well. We say that every time, don't we? We're treating it as a holiday. But because we like it here so much, we didn't mind paying it.
A bit extra, yes.
And then as I say, we've booked it for next year, and it's gone up to 155, so it's gone up £3 for next year. So I didn't think that was bad, because when I booked this for this year, last year, because we did the same thing, didn't we? Booked it while we were here. It had gone up £10.
All right.
But this year it hasn't. It's gone up 3.
Inflation's come down a bit.
Yeah. So I'm sorry if that shocked everybody.
Yeah.
But, you know, it's somewhere that we like to come. And it's relaxing. And I sleep like a log, don't I, here?
You seem to sleep better here than at home.
I do. I sleep great in the van. I really do. It's so relaxing. You don't think about anything other than being away and doing what you want to do. As soon as you get back, you're back into the rat race. Although we're retired, we seem busier than we've ever been.
I'm sure.
Everybody's the same.
I'm sure most retired people would say the same. Yes. Yeah.
Anyway, we've had a wonderful time. Archie's had a wonderful time.
We've worn him out.
Yeah.
Because he's fast asleep
Just
now.
show them again now. He's lying down now. He's had enough. He's tired.
Archie's having a early morning siesta. And look at that view. Beautiful, isn't it? This is the view out of the other side. So we've got lots of space.
Anyway, we're going to say goodbye because we rabbit on. We know we do. And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye for now, folks.
Bye.
It seems to me that whoever designed the south side took a long time in landscaping it properly, because some of the pictures are quite spaced. Yeah. No.
Oh, God.
No, cut that.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand.